Most HELOCs are an adjustable rate mortgage. That means the rate changes every month with whenever the market changes. Guys, good morning, everyone. It's Angelo Christian Financial. I hope everyone's doing well out there. Today we're talking about our fixed rate HELOC program. We're one of the only lenders in the country that actually does a fixed rate for a HELOC. Most HELOCs are an adjustable rate mortgage. That means the rate changes every month with whenever the market changes. So we do it on primary residence, investment property, secondary home. And so for a primary, you can go up to 80%, investment property up to 70% loan to value. But it's cool because it's actually a fixed rate. It's not an adjustable rate. And that's, really important when you're getting a loan, because you want peace of mind and security, confidence that that rate is going to be fixed and it's not adjustable. So there are some requirements. You do have to have at least a 660 or higher credit score. It is full documentation. So if we can help you, remember, we're a direct nationwide lender. Call or text Angelo 832-431-6331. Definitely want to help you with that fixed rate HELOC program. Thank you.